you scared of it? Come on, let's go see. Let's go press his nose. Oh, you just want your mouth instead. Want to go press his nose? I'm going to press his nose. You're a little thirsty. Show Mommy how you press his nose. He's making all sorts of noise. Want to show me? Show me. Why don't you show me how you push his nose? Connor, show me how you push his nose. Yeah, milk's all gone. All gone. Oh, that's good. Put it back in your mouth. Show me how you push his nose. Can you show me? How about with this? Let me take him down for you so you can push his nose. Show me how you do it. Yeah, push the nose. Show me how you do it. Good job. Excuse you. Yeah, no one else is here to appreciate it. Just me. Push his nose. Push. Can you clap? Let me see your bottle. You're all done. Push. Can you show me how you dance? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're showing me? You showing me his nose? Where's his nose? Oh, you just want the bottle. I guess we better get you some more milk, huh? Whoa, whoa. Say hi. Say hi. Whoa. Okay. Let's go get you some more milk.